In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an authorized user from your Bank of America account. Whether you're looking to simplify your account or just need more control over your financial transactions, this process is straightforward and can be completed with just a phone call. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to grab your Bank of America card because it has an important piece of information you'll need. The customer service number on the back. This number is your direct line to the help you need for removing an authorized user. It's really convenient because calling them directly ensures you're speaking with someone who can assist with your account specifically. Go ahead and dial that number on your phone. You might have to go through a few automated options, but don't worry. Stay on the line and you'll soon be speaking with a representative. Once you're connected to a representative, clearly express your request to remove an authorized user from your account. Be prepared to verify your identity for security reasons. This might include providing your social security number, account number, or answering security questions to confirm you're the primary account holder. Such measures are in place to protect your privacy and ensure that only authorized changes occur on your account. After your identity has been confirmed, clearly state that you wish to remove the authorized user. It might be helpful to have the name and any additional details of the authorized user at hand in case the representative needs them. Explain your reason if you feel comfortable, though typically this detail isn't required. The representative will acknowledge your request and might provide some additional information about how this change affects your account. They may discuss possible impacts like changes to the credit limit or points to consider when altering account permissions. Next, follow any instructions given by the representative. They might guide you through a few more steps to finalize the removal, which could include signing a document or confirming any recent account activity. Make sure you understand all the details before moving on, and don't hesitate to ask questions if anything is unclear. Once you have followed these instructions and completed all necessary steps, the authorized user will be removed from your account. It's a good idea to review your account statements to ensure the removal was processed as requested. You should also update any personal records to reflect this change, and there you have it. Removing an authorized user from your Bank of America account is that simple. By taking these steps, you're ensuring your account is customized to your current needs and preferences. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to share your experience or any tips you might have in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful financial tips. Thank you for watching.